Hey guys, I had again these videos about the Kenmore sensor zone 100. I watched this Nechi Logical 592. They are almost the same. I realized they had some programs a little different, like on the Buttonhole. If you see, there are the three classes, the same in the Kenmore and in the Nechi. This is the square, the one had a little circle here, and this is a round. And the Nechi, the numbers, the program is different than the Kenmore. We're going, because I had the sensor, so 100, we're going to make the buttonhole, the square one, in Kenmore is number 4. Okay guys, prepare. This is the buttonhole presser foot is in here. This one. This part need to be in front of the lash. The lash get in the back. When you're going to put this, remember this upprint R need to be in front. Also, that had the size in here in inches, and in centimeters. I'm going to make this buttonhole. I already take the size for this button, checking in here, put like that, it's there, and 1 inch. Okay, this is the first you do when you're going to put this presser foot, is because you already had the size for what size of buttonhole you're going to make. Now they by push this lever, white lever here, push to the back, and that coming my presser foot. Now checking, remember this lever here in front, and the lash go in the back. Make sure that, and after to the holder. When you see some position, down the presser bar, and it's click is there. Pass the up thread to the buttonhole, and make sure go really for this little hole here, go in the back. Take the bobbin, 2 with your hands, and the 2 threads need to be in your hand. It's like a sandwich. Here go what we're going to do. I'm going to do this. This is, I think I'm going to do for my husband, but now I'm going to try first in this material. I made the size, doing that always before you're going to start the buttonhole. Remember, after it's a big deal if you don't do your try. This is my size. I put in here, call the point match for the needle with the size I put. And where is my, you need to make sure you have your 2 threads. Okay, since we had a lot of space in this machine for this size, it's better always put the fabric on this size, not on this size, because you see there are a lot of surface. Okay, take the 2 threads, and now push number 4, 3, 4. Okay, and we start in the name of God. not go too fast, because when it's buttonhole, it's better be precaution and do not too fast. Use your control to speed with your feet. When it's finished, she alone stopped. The machine stopped. Even I had the presser foot with my foot presser, but it's not doing nothing because that tell me it's ready. Up the bar, the needle, because the needle get down, and this machine, and now you see a buttonhole the size I want. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoy. God bless you, and please continue pray for the world. Bye.